What's up guys, here's Step Capital. In this video I want to go through my Notion, share with you how I was able to trade during this week. As you know, today is the first week, on Friday 8 May 2026, first week of the month of May. In this video I want to go through my Notion, share with you how I was able to trade during this week. I'm sharing this video, I'm doing this content. It's not for people that they are not trader. I'm doing it for those who are inspired to become a trader, to become a professional trader, trying to find a way to freedom, like me. And you have the price. We need to pay a price to be able to receive that freedom, because this is a business of freedom. But before that, you need to go through some hell. You need to go through some pressure, some very difficult moment before you can be able to overcome that. As you know, this week I didn't do well. I'm trying to I still keep having that mindset, trying to make money. I still keep having that mindset that when I'm not doing something for 1 or 2 days, my brain, my subconscious will start to telling me that you must do something, you must take action, you must do something to be able to feel well. In this video, I want to go through my Notion, share with you with transparency how many trades I took, how I was able to trade this week, what was the particularity between each trade that I executed during this week, and the outcome, the behavior, the action, my routine, how I was able to be consistent during this week in this video. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, make sure to comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to not miss out my next video. And I will put my YouTube channel under the video. Maybe you can go and see how I'm doing. You can get inspired, and you can also start your own journey. See you. Hi guys, as you can see, we're on my chat now, and you can see that on my dashboard, everything with transparency, everything's here, everything on time. Any trade that I take, either a low probability trade, high probability setup, win or loss, my behavior, what I did good, what I did wrong, I will mark out, I will take a journal here. But the thing that I don't know really why. I know my mistake, but I keep repeating the same mistake, keep doing the same thing. I don't know why I'm keep doing that. I will finally find what is going on. And you can see, firstly, I'm minus 13R. I think having minus 13R, I have more than 13R, like 14 R now. Quarter 2, currently I'm in minus 5R. Before the end of April, the last week of month of April, I was in profit of 3R. But see how I did end up in minus 5R now. I'm currently minus 9R. I think I'm in minus 10R now. Minus 10. I'm even more shocked because I took 9 trades, and we are currently 8th of May. We never even reached the first quarter of the month. But I already took 10 trades, almost 10 trades. Almost 10 trades. Almost 10 trades. I already taken almost 10 trades. This is something that I never done. Something like this more than a years now. 10 trades is something I never done. It's crazy. I never done something since in 2024. The year that I started to trade, my first year of trading, 2024. But since last year, I never done this kind of things. 19 the first quarter. It's crazy. Before even, we never reached 10. And Monday I didn't trade. I started to trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no trade. It was no trade. You can see, I was not feeling good, but I forced trade. I just want to trade to make myself happy, trying to prove my mind that I'm doing something. My habit was really good. Monday I did not sleep on time. I did not wake up on time. And Tuesday, same thing. Wednesday, I was not even feeling good. Since on Wednesday in the afternoon, I was not even feeling good. Wednesday in the afternoon, I did not even review because I didn't have my computer. Even yesterday, nothing. I just review later. And Friday I did everything good. I already review. And currently the first trade of the month of the week is this trade. Here's the first trade of the week, and as you can see here, very good trade. In my opinion, everything was good here. I really appreciate how this trade moved. The order flow was clearly bearish. I was trying to keep pushing, looking to sell. And eventually, when price came back into the supply, the only thing I didn't like here is because the way price closed below this week low, with just a week, and we have a V sharp to the upside. But what made me to keep looking to sell, because you have this very big range supply, buy to sell week supply here, and we break below this low. For me, it was enough to keep looking to sell. After you have swept this high, it was giving that confidence to sell. And really, what happened? I'm looking to I sell here because you have this week break, you have another week break, change your character, pass break this supply, this demand, and I position here. And the pass was I was selling inside the premium, and I was starting with the high time frame supply. I look to sell, targeting this low. For me, it was valid. Same thing. Yes, it was valid for me to sell here. On the next trade, that's the same day. This is my next trade here. The next trade that I took was here. It was a buy. It wasn't a sell again. It was instead a buy. Yes, yeah, this was a buy trade. Same thing, same order flow, and this is when I realized that okay, at this point prices keep looking to buy, and potentially we take out this supply, and potentially mitigate the supply, the supply above. This is why I realized that once price has broken this high, price broke above this high, this red line here, and I confirmed that okay, we're massive bullish. After now, I understand that this was just a sweep. Now I position myself as a buy. Price keep pushing my direction. Very good. Break even. I break even. When price broke this high, I break even. And price came back, stopped me out, continued to my direction. Very nice. Same thing. You can see. Price. I even scaling on this trade. I will show you. This is where I'm scaling. I position myself here for scaling and another scaling. But I break even here, but I took minus 1 hour here. That means this trade I end up with minus 1%. But eventually, if this trade was moving in my direction, I would have making 3% here and 3% here. It will be 6%. This is it. I already took the risk and I accept the risk. And the thing is that on my plan, my trading plan, I told myself that I'm not allowed to take a third trade after 2 losing streak in the same day. I'm not allowed. But I don't know how I see myself taking this trade on GBPSD. I don't know why. It wasn't even a good trade. It was a good trade, but it was not even even if the trade is the best trade, I'm not supposed to trade because I already hit my daily loss limit. But I say trade that day. This is crazy. This is very crazy. Really, really crazy. I don't really know how to say it because it's very crazy. Really, really crazy. It was a valid trade, but I wasn't supposed to take this trade. If I will be able to avoid this trade, it's minus 1% that I will avoid. On Tuesday, same thing. Wednesday. This is another trade. Wednesday, my day was really, very, 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 very bad. Really bad. I get a lot of things. I get traffic. I get a lot of things. A lot of things was going through my mind. I wasn't even feeling well. My body was just doing me something. I couldn't even understand. All my body was paining me that day. I don't know. All my body. I wasn't even feeling well. My stomach, my head. But I still find a way to trade. How? Why am I suffering myself like this? I'm not suffering myself. I'm doing this business for freedom, but I don't know how. Sometimes I ask myself, you are doing this thing for freedom. You don't want to depend on somebody that will call you you need to go every day work for him. Extend your time to work for somebody, make somebody rich. I don't know, but I'm still struggling. When I'm not feeling well, I'm supposed to chill, take a step back. Chill. I don't know how I see myself to trade until I took this trade. It wasn't even a good trade. To be honest, it was not even a good trade. You can see how I'm mark here. No good trade, nothing. I was just acting based on my feeling, my emotion here. Nothing was like valid here. Low probability trade. Same thing here. I don't know. On Thursday. This was the worst one. I finished with this. This was the worst. Guys, it was the worst here. Impatient, invalid trade, over trading, not feeling bad, undisciplined, all the bad behavior a human being can have are implementing this. I broke my rules, I don't know why. Just imagine, can you imagine this trade? The order flow was clearly bullish. The only thing that this trade is not valid is because I was buying inside this high time frame demand. Now, the reason why I did not buy, I wasn't supposed to buy here because we have this demand left, you have this inducement, you have a nice inducement swept up into the PY, and past retrace, you have a V shape to the upside. Normally, when this kind of scenario happened to me, I need to wait for a bullish change of character, identify now a new PY. This is exactly what I said here. My objective was to wait for price to break the red line, then shift bullish, and find a new PY, then from the new PY get in. But I don't know how I saw myself taking this trade. I just have that behavior, that dream like, oh, it will be a win. I don't miss this trade. Just go in. If not, you will miss and end up what? A losing trade. And I took this trade out of my section trading. Out of my section. I was very tired. I cooked. I moved during the day a lot. Up and down, come back, cook. Feeling very tired. I drank, and I still come back. I did that yesterday evening. I still trade, trying to find setup because I hope that I will make profit. I want to make win. I want to take a win trade. This is just because I'm desperate to take winning trade. Why, Ronaldo? The last one, this was today. This is one of my highest probability trade. The only negative point that is here that I took this trade. This was very, very good, but there's a but. This trade, my stop loss was too tight. Do not give a stop loss buffer. Price stop me out. You can see how it's moving. Like price is around like 1 to 3 now, 1 to 3, and yeah, 1 to 3 around this price, around 1 to 3. And currently, I'm also took another same entry. I took another same entry, 1 to 3 also. You see, I think it's here. There's a trade. I also take another entry again. First around like almost 1 to 3. 2.5, yeah, 2.5. I'm targeting 5R here, guys. 5R. I will close. I already break even. Now I'm waiting for price to push to the upside. And this week, to be honest, I did not really miss any trade. To be honest, this week, because this week I was just up and down, and I forced myself to do mistake. I was not even feeling well this week. My trading was not really good this week. The way I was trading. This week is only one trade, yeah. No, this was last week. Last week on Friday, I missed this trade. But this is where I could potential. I did not take any good trade this week. Yes, guys, everything for this video. If you like this video, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to like and turn on the notification button to not miss out my next video. See you and peace.